Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete, 10 minute upon the beat, and as you can see on the screen, some dolly just obsessed with people, husband, my people. Some dolly like Shauna controller, just obsessed with people, husband. And that's according to the sender, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, 10 Point got his wife. I don't want to say side chick, but main chick. They got matching tattoos, and the people them say Shauna Chin is a wandering spirit. Yes, because homegirl was up in a KDM and all of these things. And say Shauna thing deal with Obia, cause we done here. RT Boss do spiritual work for her. I remember with Joe Bogdanovich and all of these things. But nevertheless, the people them say, yo, Shauna is obsessed. You see me, I say, I don't know what this tattoo means. I don't know what it means. You see me, I say, me, I just the messenger. You know what I mean? But if Shauna was really up in a homegirl DM, whoa, this remind me of like the Remy Ma Clarissa situation. Cause Clarissa did up in a Remy Ma DM when she that look papoosy and all them things. Right? But me just giving them a quick update while going for not to go on 10 Point got his girls with matching tattoos. You see me? No, the next trending topic we see are the England trip getting cancelled again. And I told the people them last month that these TikTokers are scammers, You see me, I say. But nevertheless, Dyema is answering, all allegations. Because, the people them say she's a Judas and all of these things, as you can see on the screen. So we're going to take a listen to what the lady has to say. And you see Dyema respond to her, isn't it?
So chat, come here, make we talk a little bit now. Because Dyema, come here ask you a question. Because you me really come to ask a question, Because how me hear that I go about England, I never know it could have postponed. Come tell me how it go there. Because me say you roll out suitcase the other day. How you did I go downtown? Come tell me how it go there. Because you did act like you did have to go to England. And nothing could have stopped you. And we know without Rose, the show can't keep. So how it go? Come tell me how it go then. Because me I wait to know. Remember you can't argue with me. And me and you not argue, I just ask you a question. Because you say if you never have nobody you put and say, mommy, you can't argue with me. So I leave that there next day. I just ask you a question. I want you to answer me. And I send no SUMY come give me. Yeah, I do that when I did that baby. Me big woman, I don't do them something there again. I don't drink milk no more. Anyway, as me say, hey, that go like how you did control the England trip. So how it go? Come tell me why make it postpone. How it go? Say that roll out suitcase in vain for nothing. Come now, make a reason. Come tell me how it go now. It's one rose on the app. It's one rose on the app. And she's the life of the party. So come tell me how it go. Where that roll out suitcase for? You just want to tell somebody say you have suitcase. We know you have suitcase because you travel. All people when I travel have suitcase. And we use them as a form of storage. So how it go? How you did that go on? But in spite of everything, I'm glad that the show never keep. Yeah, auntie have to make her money, yes. We're not going to dispute the fact there. But, on the brighter side of it, that means when anything I keep again and the woman have to reach out to anybody, she'll reach out to us directly. So, you can't say that you make it possible. The link come through you. No, you can't say that no more. You don't have the angle there no more. And then this part will come in now where we have to get Akeem in big up. Because you know what? If they can't reach Rose, they may reach Akeem. Sometimes Rose don't want to do the phone call them. Because people like you, she don't want nobody record her. Yeah, so she kind of catch her cowards. So when a good thing, she afraid to answer. But Akeem is right there. We will keep that under control there. So guess what? We don't need you. We're glad you're gone. We're glad the show postponed. So from now on, when I have to use it for nothing, so you can say you make whatever possible. Cause your days expire, baby. You're Judas. Judas, your time up. Go and go roll out the suitcase to downtown. You sell something downtown. When I go and like say, I wanna go to England and nobody else can go. Why you not going? Old Judas, yeah. He's nothing but a Judas and a traitor. Blacky. Go to England, no? No, you don't promote it because you don't act like you're the promoter. Like you can't keep without you. No, you did that promoter. No, it cancel. Come tell me why it cancel because you did that go on. And people like you are going to help make it postpone. Because all you did that be mighty and you did too mighty. You and your man, Fiona. You did too mighty. Now him and him look a sad story. Me not sell out my country, but me run if it come out next country. I may do it 1,000 times more. But anywhere I go, that girl and a boy at my workplace or anyway can't tell me nothing bad about my country. Make me say when me I say bad about my country. But no girl and no boy can't tell me nothing bad about my country. But I leave my country 100 times more again. Cause me have to come with the better life there. Not care when nobody wants to say. Better life, me say right through. Yeah. And we know it not there Jamaica. So what you only talk about? Boy, you're just sad so you never get through. And that's just the point. You're just sad. That's it. But your mouth, your problem.
Can still a further date in April. Nobody never get no turn down. And nobody never can no fast documents. So no can't stop fabricate story in a box. But that's the way I want clear now here because sometimes I don't like telling you nothing. Because I just sit down and fabricate be a story in a box. Nobody get no turn down. Nobody carry no fast document. The visa doesn't come on time. Remember we are not immigration. And anybody will go through England operation know how England stay. No, so England we get the visa the same day when I show. Remember England that I can't travel so. I take 1 day to reach England. Alright now? So no TikTok on too messy and not talk be foolishness. When me ready me hear someone that talk about fast document, me I hear someone that talk about who no get visa. None of we no get turned down. The visa doesn't come on time and the date just removed to a further date. Okay? So me I beg you not to ask me now. Argument done. When you fabricate story by your hard, you know. When you not fabricate story by sometimes I wonder who are going to tour them, you know. How are?
I'm go live.
Man, make you go live and say I live me the drunk crow.
Yeah, my phone me I talk about.
Come right here so we are run. Hey! Which phone you talk about? Come for yourself, come beg one girl on phone. Me come in and walk along my phone, you know. Because you have looks.
I know you're starting to understand why I never buy when these T-listers are selling. This is some people. Total embarrassment last night at the Barclays Center when it comes to dancehall artists, Alkaline fans. This is total embarrassment because we can't get away with certain things like Americans, you know. And you know the things set with dancehall events. You know what I mean? And we know, so we're under scrutiny and Alkaline. Look go back to watch the fans, them almost smash up the place now, you can see. Listen, man, so we just are upset. Barclays Center, no band. You know, no future. Dancehall events. You know what I mean? Boy. People putting at the comment section where you think about the cheap tickets them I give out, you know. Because you know, say the man, them did struggle to sell tickets, you know. And this is what cheap tickets and free tickets bring, you know. Disgusting behavior, you know. You see me? But me just did I give them quick update while I go on for not to go on Alkaline fans. They make history last night in a Barclays Center by being the first dancehall artist fans them to bring them nasty behavior to the big place. You see me? Anyway, let's proceed. Because it look like Doanya tech back hey kush, you know, said the other day, homegirl, they go pan tour, pan Blueface body, and all type of things, you see my say, and they go viral, you know what I mean? I know she's posting up in a St. Thomas with Blueface song, Tatiana, you see my summer people, yeah. Anyway, we're not going to go this long. Let's still give you them quick update channel Sunday. So do the right thing if you haven't done so already, and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.